Mosquitoes start disappearing within the first minute after placing this on your balcony. All you need is a small plate or dish. Sprinkle a thin layer of baking soda on it, about 3 tablespoons. Baking soda neutralizes odors and naturally absorbs moisture. Then cover it completely with ground coffee. It doesn't matter what kind of coffee you use. The strong smell is overwhelming for mosquitoes, so they stay away. Now grab some matches. Light one and place it directly on the coffee layer. Repeat with a few more, spaced apart. Don't worry if they go out. That's the point. The heat will make the coffee smolder gently, releasing a subtle smoke. This smoke works like a natural barrier, repelling not just mosquitoes but other annoying bugs too. You can place the dish anywhere you plan to relax in the evening. It's a cheap, simple, and completely natural solution that also smells surprisingly nice.